PC tips and tricks for Windows 11. Use virtual desktops. Windows 11 allows you to create multiple virtual desktops, which helps you to organize your work and switch between different applications easily. You can create a new virtual desktop by pressing the Windows key plus tab and clicking on the New Desktop button. Customize the Start menu. Windows 11 comes with a new Start menu that supports app icons and live tiles. You can customize the Start menu by right-clicking on an app and selecting Pin to Start or Pin to Taskbar. Use Snap Layouts. Windows 11 introduces a new feature called Snap Layouts, which allows you to snap windows to predefined positions on your screen. You can access Snap Layouts by hovering over the Maximize button on a window. Use Snap Groups. Snap Groups is another new feature in Windows 11 that allows you to save and restore sets of snapped windows. You can access Snap Groups by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Snap Layouts. Use the Power Toys app. Power Toys is a free app developed by Microsoft that adds additional functionality to Windows 11. Some of its features include a window manager, a shortcut guide, and a file renamer. Use the built-in snipping tool. Windows 11 comes with a built-in snipping tool that allows you to take screenshots of your screen. You can access the snipping tool by pressing the Windows key plus Shift plus S. Use the Task Manager. The Task Manager in Windows 11 gives you detailed information about the performance of your PC and the applications running on it. You can access the Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Use the Settings app. The Settings app in Windows 11 allows you to customize various settings related to your PC, including display settings, sound settings, and privacy settings.